I've not seen any contestant yet. Because there are none of them that are trained is art in the ring. None of them have bought the nomination form of their party. Not until that is done. But if I have to rate among the three, we should not I pity people that base their argument or their point on consolation. I believe self-consolation is self-deception. Rotimi Amaechi, there is no way Rotimi Amaechi can have 30% of Atiku's political clout in the country. By political exposure, by age, whatever. Peter Obi tried the last election. The Obi then rallied around him. The clout he gained 2020 pre-2023 election, is that clout still there? No. Yeah, he's a credible candidate. He's a presidential material. Rotimi Amaechi is a presidential material. But when you talk of political clout, and don't forget, ethnicity is part of consideration when you talk of politics in Nigeria. And Atiku can be sure of inheriting the 12 million traditional block vote of Buhari. Why am I saying this? 2003, Buhari got the 12 million traditional vote, block vote. 2007, he got it again. 2011, he got it again. 2015, he got it again. He got very few from the south to join it. He became president. 2018, he got it again. Now, for people to know that it is not, that block vote was not given to Buhari's party. It was given to Buhari as a person because of his ethnic background. What happened 2023 election? When his party contested across the country, their presidential candidate, who is now the president of Nigeria, could not garner more than 8 million votes. That means we are still talking of 4 million deficit from Buhari's traditional block vote in the northern Nigeria. For you to know that 12 million vote is not for the party, it's for the northern candidate because of the ethnicity. A northern candidate is going to inherit it in favor of the north. The northern Nigeria has not been this angry with any government, with any party. That is it. So at the end of the day, to me, God has all the powers. But among the three of them, I think it would have been better that one submit himself to become vice presidential candidate to Atiku. Maybe the other one could be considered for secretary to the federal government of the federation. That is my own calculation anyway. I don't have all the political wisdom. That is it. Why? This is my own views and this is my opinion. I will listen to any other opinion, but I'm expressing my own views and my opinion. How many times did Buhari attempted it? For Buhari to get it? Buhari attempted it 2023, 2003, 2007, 2011, 2015, before he got it. So what are we talking about? Is it the numbers of times you attempted it? See, I am not going to advise ADC on what to do. But there is a way, if they didn't calculate it very well, and they want to bring in ethnicity, they want to bring in some illogical argument and here and there, at the end of the day, they will play into the gallery That is it. They except if we are saying Atiku should step down, except we are saying Atiku should step down, then Peter Obi get it. And when Peter Obi get it, then the northern people will support him with a trusted and very popular person from the northern Nigeria. Don't forget, northern Nigeria has 19 states, including Abuja, 20. And in the southern Nigeria here, both the southeast, out of the west, we have 17 states. Is there any unifying factor, electoral unifying factor in the south? No one. But you can have electoral unifying factor. There are people that will sit down in the northern Nigeria and say, oh, this is our brother, let us vote for him. Who is that person here? Yoruba will not follow the direction of the southeast candidate. The vote will just be divided there. That is it. Is there any unifying factor here in the south? South, southeast, southwest? No. You will see, hey, I can't follow the Igbo. Hey, Yoruba has done it 2 times in Yoruba, and I want to go and do it 2 times in Tinubu. Hey, South has done it in 6 years in Jonathan. Based on that, before you know what is happening, what's supposed to be our united force from the south will diminish, will scatter, and those people will escape. That is it. That is my own. I'm not a member. I don't even have sympathy for them. Whatever government that comes to power, I'm a businessman, I'm a consultant. Whatever government that comes to power, they will definitely need my services, and I'm going to render it. That is it. The economy will not hit me too much. So when they get there, let them. But if they are not very calculative, definitely they will miscalculate and fall to the hand very cheaply into the hand of Tinubu and his APC.